All right, we have some breaking inputs coming in. Despite the terror tape of Dr. Unnabi, where he is normalizing suicide bombing, the apologists are at it again. Are they trying to whitewash even this? Congress leader Mr. Hussain Dalwai has stoked controversy once again. He has condemned Umar's terror tape, but once again talks about injustice against Muslims, says one needs to address the anger in the community. So is Rahul Gandhi's leader now trying to justify terror despite that terror tape of Umar Nabi, the terror doctor who says suicide bombing is misunderstood?
एक सुसाइड बॉम्बर डॉक्टर मोहम्मद नाबी का ये वीडियो है और उमर मोहम्मद का ये वीडियो है और उसमें ये स्पष्ट तौर से बता रहा है कि किस तरह से सुसाइड बॉम्बिंग एक ऐसी चीज होती है जो इस्लाम में मानी जाती है। क्या ये सच है?
बिल्कुल गलत बात है। बेगुनाह को मारना एक बड़ा गुनाह है। इस तरह के कोई गलत फहमी से बातें करता रहता है इस्लाम के बारे में। इस्लाम में ये कहा कि कभी भी बेगुनाह लोगों को मारो मत, बेगुनाह लोगों के ऊपर अन्याय मत करो। हालांकि उसको समझा ही है अपनी भूमिका, ये कहा गया है। ये इस्लाम के नाम से टेररिज्म करना बिल्कुल गलत बात है। मैं उसका विरोध करता हूँ और मैं विरोध करता हूँ। इस्लाम में ये बिल्कुल नहीं है। ये जो सरकार जो कर रही है गलत बात है। सरकार जानबूझ के मुसलमानों को तकलीफ दे रही है और ऐसे लोग कहाँ न कहाँ बीजेपी को मदद ही करते हैं। ये अभी बंद होना चाहिए।
Rucha and Niyamika are joining us on the broadcast with more details. I want to go across to Rucha first. Rucha, you spoke to Hussain Dalwai. Hussain Dalwai on one hand condemns the terror tape, says suicide bombing is not part of Islam. Innocents ko marna haram hai. But on the other hand, quickly politicizes the issue by saying सरकार मुसलमानों को परेशान कर रही है।
Well, definitely when we question him about how the doctors having approved connection of the bomb blast in Delhi, he kept on saying that the Muslims are always targeted, the Muslims are mob lynched in this country, and instead of protecting them, the government is only targeting them. He did not answer to our questions when we questioned about why does he think that only Muslims get targeted, and despite having the proof, the video of the Dr. Umar stating that suicide bombing is a term in Islam and how he is justifying, the Hussain Dalwai, leader of Congress party, goes on to saying only Muslims are targeted in this country. And despite getting any protection from the government in fact targets them all the time. This is the time when the leaders of any party of this country should condemn this act, such thinking, such radical mindset. But instead of condemning that, instead of talking against it, he is firm on sayings. Previously also he said that this entire act has connection with the RSS and how it is motivated and
right.
It goes in support of Bharatiya Janata Party.
The issue. At the moment that seems to be the only agenda. Niyamika, is this what the High Command is approving of? Because not a single word on what Hussain Dalwai has said. No condemnation coming in either.
Well, if we talk about the other leaders within the Congress party, they are condemning the statement which has been given by Mr. Hussain Dalwai, as we have spoken to several of the leaders, including Mr. Pramod Tiwari as well as Mr. Imran Masood, and both of these leaders have stated that these are the responsible persons and they should think before what they are speaking. As if we talk about terrorism in particular, as both of the Congress leaders have stated it very clearly that terrorism cannot be justified, the killing of innocent people cannot be justified. In fact, Imran Masood has also gone on to say that and making any such comments which has been made by Dr. Umar in that particular video regarding the justification which he had given of suicide bombing. He had condemned him by stating that he doesn't know anything about Islam, as Islam has never supported terrorism. Islam has never supported the concept of suicide justified, and whatever he is saying that is basically to misguide the youth of this country, as it cannot be justified at all. He is not oppressed at all, and in fact, Mr. Imran Masood has also condemned the statement which has been given by Mr. Hussain Dalwai, stating that terrorism has no religion or caste, and that is the only reason why the Congress party's other leaders as well are demanding that there should be a strict
Niyamika and Rucha, stay on with us. We have